Hey guys, I am vlogging on my phone because I forgot to charge my camera. Matt and I are out geocaching and we are currently at Hillary's boat harbor. And I see in the distance that there is a pirate ship. Are me hearties. That's pretty cool. Well, I don't think we're looking for this geocache because someone decided to put it all the way at the end of this jetty and we're not allowed to access because the gate's closed and it says you'll get in big trouble. Bye! Oh, look at that! Guys, I hope you can see that. There is a willy wag, and he just... Ah! He's swooping you! Yeah, keep going. See if we'll do it again. That's getting swooped by a willy wagtail. Okay, that is probably one of the funniest things. Oh, it's coming back! Yeah, so it is magpie swooping season in Australia. It's also snake season. We're geocaching. And it's willy wag swooping season. We didn't know that was a thing, but it is now. Okay, we've just realised that we may need to walk from the way that we came in earlier. We've come back to see if the willy wag will swoop Matt again. I reckon if you stand still it'll land on you. He's trying. There's two of them. There's one there, one on the other tree. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, you missed it. It got me. I didn't get it on camera. I was just filming the ground. It actually swooped my head. Maybe he sees the penguin on your shirt and he thinks it's like a bird that hits it. That's the funniest thing. Yeah. He's in the tree still. Yeah. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure there's a magpie in the other tree. Ah! So I've just realised. I realised why we are getting swooped. There is actually a nest in the tree, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm seeing sticks sticking out of it or possibly baby. Wah! Baby ones.
14 metres.
I don't know if I should be.
Stop looking at your phone and look at the ground because there's snakes over there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. What's in it?
Dynamite.
We got a thing of dynamo so you can wash your clothes. Okay, so I took the dynamo and I'm replacing it with a broccoli from Coles. Oh, stop. It's gonna get ya. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see. So there's the bird. That little thing. Can I zoom? That little thing there is the nest.
Yeah, but there's no babies in it.
Are you sure? I should go get my other camera.
Oh shit, they are babies. I just seen one shake its head.
Is it moving?
Yeah, they're moving.
Oh, let me go get my other
foot.
Which way are they facing?
They're facing towards us. I just seen their heads leave.
These things?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, up the hill. So heading up for cache number 2. And hopefully it's there and it should be a regular in size. I see Matt is on the look and I'm kind of glad because if that's stairs, that means his path is steep.
Look to the left of step number 5 climbing up.
Yeah.
All I can see is these rocks on step number 1 and
2,
2.
3, 4, 5. Oh, there it is. Wasn't even hidden properly.
Yeah, look.
Woohoo. Oh, they got ushies.
Take the blue one.
Alright.
So
we're gonna take this ushi. Okay. So we'll swap it for
No,
The dynamo. Yeah. So Matt's saying that he wants to keep this. We'll put a bracelet in there. Okay, so the bracelet we're leaving behind. So Matt wants to take the gold one too. So we've got a geocaching bracelet and a slime. Check out, these are all weeds. But check out how pretty the flowers are on these weeds. See, even springtime can make weeds look pretty. How pretty. Until we come back out towards the car park. There it fucking is again!
Yeah, walk towards that tree there. Go, walk towards the tree. Go, 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 go. I'll get a good video of these this time. Go towards the tree, walk towards the tree. Get it, yeah! Yeah, get it, yeah! Yeah, get it, yeah! She was still trying to get you when you were walking towards me.
Is this a dumb idea?
Yeah.
I did get in the car and Matt's just told me. Wait, I should close the door. So apparently the willy wag came and shot in Matt's car. Oh no way! It was probably like, I'm gonna keep coming over and I'm gonna poop on it.
It's not tree safe, I just skipped it. It was fucking disgusting.
Wait, is it safe? It's a fucking vicious little thing. Okay, I gotta get in. Close the door. Yeah. We've come down to another area and we're still close to the beach after being swooped by the willy bag. And we're looking for a regular. Apparently it's at a bus stop. I don't understand how that's possible, so I'm assuming the collards are way out. This bus stop seems like it's in a really dangerous spot. We're like on the edge of a road. Did ya? It was just sitting there.
Yep.
It wasn't even hidden. What the heck is that? An eraser, but it's supposed to be like an old camera. Chick, chick. What are they?
Pokemon cards.
Pokemon cards. So we're at a very, very windy location. Location number 4. Fingers crossed we can find it. Ooh. Let me go see what the is. And a kid's ring. And an eraser.
More stickers.
Wait, there's even a smiley face. Oh, one of my smiley faces. Yeah, that's totally me. That is me. Yeah. I could also take this necklace for myself, but I'm going to take my little pin, and you have to put something back in, so I am putting in a donut keyring. And we'll put the necklace back. I'm a bit wonky, but good enough. So Matt decided to take the keyring because he didn't want me to get rid of it just yet, and he's put this Cache Carnival puck inside instead. There's the log. So we're up to the next location and we are looking for an otter. Yeah, because it said you had to be fishing to find the cache. Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Woohoo. So it was just whoosh. How is that an other? They should just say micro. Oh no. Yep. I did that. Matt's way of trying to ward off the snakes. Because, yeah, they're snake holes. And this time on all our adventures, I think Matt found the cache. Make sure you subscribe for next time so you can follow us while we continue on our geocaching adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye.